This is Rad. Hey, what's up? It's Rad, and I am riding Brighton. I got Jen behind me. I've got my buddy here, Chad from Ohio. Congratulations on your football team.
Go Bucks!
Go Bucks! Even though I say go Ducks, that's okay. Can't win them all.
Yeah.
It was a good game, right?
Yes, it was.
And we were just talking about how I was in the world's fastest Indian, and I play an official, and in the scene, Tony Hopkins and I became friends, and that's what we were talking about.
It's a beautiful thing.
And you guys are like, what were you guys just talking about a little bit? What movie? It's called The World's Fastest Indian.
The World's Fastest Indian.
Go check it out. It's got Charles Halford, my homie Bruno from As the World Turns, bro. You're in it. I can't believe you're in The World Turns. You remember that soap opera, As the World Turns?
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, see?
Everyone's grandmother watched it.
7 days we got to hang out together. It was good times out there.
Pretty sweet.
So we're here at Brighton. It's January 29th, and the phrase today is 1, 2, 3, not die. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, not die. Perfect. I'm gonna go hard left off of here, okay, Chad?
Got it, man.
All right, bro. That's the goal.
I'll go left and not
How
hard.
do we follow you?
Rad Rockin' on YouTube.
Rad Rocket?
Yeah, Rad Rockin'. Like rockin' and rolling.
Rockin' and rolling.
That's right, Rad Rockin'. You do it.
Thank you.
That's what's up. Share the love of Brighton Ski Resort. Hello, my shiny helmet wearing friend. Let's get that on my YouTube, AI. Look at you, you're so shiny. Hey, can I see me in? Oh, look, there I am. Put your head down.
There you go.
What's up, everybody? Hi, YouTube. Hey, what's your name, bro?
Chris.
Hey, what's up, Chris?
How's it
Thanks for
going?
letting me get you on the
problem.
on the YouTube. Thanks for your consent. Got some battle buddies coming down one at a time, so we'll set this up just to catch them. In the meantime, it is a beautiful day up here at Brighton. The snow feels real good, like a bowl of cream of wheat. I've been riding through the trees. I've been hitting my favorite rock jumps, and you're gonna ride along on this episode and see that too. So I'm riding a Liptech 157Y T Rice right here. I've been riding that for like 3 seasons. Look, pretty snazzy. You know, it does the job, I'm not gonna lie. I got Wolf goggles on. Don't know if they're in business anymore, but thanks Wolf, they've been working out pretty well. And of course I run my Team Windy tactical ski helmet with NVG and GoPro mounts, so I don't have to like strap them and look like a Teletubby. You know what I'm saying? How many of you out there look like a Teletubby? Dipsy! Hey, what's up, Maddie?
What up?
Maddie listening to me do the whole intro, just standing over my shoulder.
You didn't notice me?
No, in all your orange? I didn't. Did you not notice that she was over me in all her orange?
Because I was meant to be here.
It's not like it's deer hunting orange. It's like nice subtle orange.
I kind of like deer hunting orange.
Oh, that wouldn't be so bad. And Jeff should be coming. He just slid down. Oh, my lady moved down here. Ah, you're so far away from me. That's okay. Yes, I know. Jen is strapping in by herself. Let's watch. All right, Jen. As you can see, the wind is probably a 13-mile-an-hour gust from the southwest.
Hopefully it brings a storm.
Picking up.
Yeah, that's gonna bring a storm. We got Skrike over here. Go follow him on Skrike on YouTube as well. He does great content. It's fun and entertaining. And you might just enjoy a cup of coffee. It's so true. What way would you like to go? Do you want me to change it up?
Do you want to go to Scout? And
Yeah, you want to find, oh yeah, huh?
she's on Majestic,
Yeah, let's go down there.
because I think she's about done. We can catch
Let's
her.
go down to
Let's
your...
go a long way down to Scout.
Okay. And then go from there and maybe get into the tents and like interview a couple people or something. Maybe, whatever you want to do. I do have to work today though. Forgot. I literally forgot I have to go to work today, but not till maybe 1. Okay? All right? 1:30 maybe. But I'll be there, guys, to sell everything. Okay, are we ready? So, long way to Scout, but we're okay with going the way we just went and just down to Scout. Okay, guys. All right, how you doing, buddy? Doing good? Oh, what's up?
Just waiting for my little guy.
I got you. That's good parenting right there. All right, see you on YouTube, bro. Later, YouTube. Haha, we'll see those guys on YouTubes. Let's follow Jen. telemark, telemark, that guy telemarks. Telemark, telemark, that guy telemarks. Into the trees, my love. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo, woo. Radel. Don't die, don't die, keep your balance. Don't die, don't die. Keep your balance, Radel. Cause you know where you are? You're in the jungle, baby, and you're gonna die. Nice. Looking good. You got everybody else? Yep, Jeff. Okay. Slid out. Oh, you want to go in there? You want me to see what's in there, Jen? Do you want me to protect you? Okay, follow the leader. Here we go. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Nice. Well done. Well done. Well done. Down to Scout. I don't know where Maddie is. I need speed. Cut in. Gotta get higher up. Oh, there we go. Jen's fast. She can throttle. Scragg's coming in. Okay. Jenn knows where to go. So we're going. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo. Shit. Oh, shit. I'm okay.
Icy, little icy.
I'm okay. Yeah, I'll feel that tomorrow though. Good job. Playing it safe. Oh. Oof. Sorry, Jeff. Don't die. Don't die. Oh man, that was right on my butt. I'll feel that. Maybe, we'll see. It's because I got switched. Are you okay, Jeff? Yeah, I'll be all right. I have no idea where Maddie is, dude. I'm gonna cut this way. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Squirrel. Squirrel. Oh, that's a drop, Ray Ray. I don't know why I stopped there. I'm just assessing my butt. Sorry, Jeff. Fuck, I'll keep going. Sorry, guys. I'm the leader. I must keep riding. I can't stop. I'm gonna go this way. Crossing. Oh. Give me some of that powder. Oh, I feel okay from that spill. Not too terrible. It was more of a oof spill than a I'm spread all over the place spill. Woo, woo, woo. He said down at Majestic. All right. Good time shredding. Peace.